Following a recent change in UK legislation from the 6th of April 2014, the contracting landscape has changed for those wanting to contract on a self-employed basis. If you are working on construction projects and wish to contract as CIS self-employed, follow our tests to see if you can do this in a compliant, risk-free way. While on site, are you controlled by a manager or supervisor? Do you take instructions from anyone on site? Yes, control is present. You need to be classed as an employee. No, control is not established and you may be able to go self-employed. If you can't go self-employed and need to contract as an employee, iConstruct Umbrella is the option for you. Contact one of iPay's account managers today and we can talk you through your options. If instead the test suggests iConstruct Self-Employed might be the right service for you, watch the rest of this video to find out how we can help. We still recommend that you give iPay a call so that our account managers can advise on whether you can really go self-employed based on your personal circumstances. Let us introduce you to iConstruct, our fully compliant service for genuinely self-employed subcontractors who work on construction projects in the UK. In order to subcontract to iPay, you must be working on a construction project, be registered with HMRC as a CIS operative and have a valid Unique Tax Reference Number, UTR, have the legal right to work in the UK on a self-employed basis, be happy to sign a contract for services with us, confirming your self-employed status. In addition, you will have to take responsibility for payment of your own national insurance contributions directly to HMRC, settlement of the income tax due on the business profits, filing an annual self-assessment with HMRC in which you will report your income and expenses, setting aside income for when you are on holiday, when you are ill, or when you are in between assignments. As a self-employed business, you are responsible for planning your own time, finding your own work, and for funding your time off. All this may sound a little daunting, but don't worry, we can help lighten the load. We will raise the invoices to your client or agency, take care of CIS deductions, providing statements with each payment as dictated by HM Revenue and Customs. Ensure payments are made into your bank account on the same day we received the cleared funds from your agency or client. Ensure that you are covered by our comprehensive insurance policies. All this is covered by the standard margin that we will retain from the amount invoiced. Speak to one of our friendly account managers to discuss how iConstruct can help you simplify your business and CIS obligations. If you need help with your annual accounts and self-assessment, then don't worry, you can opt for our iConstruct Plus service, which is our enhanced service. If you are earning at a rate of £15 or more, then it may be worth speaking to SPI Accountancy about the benefits of VAT registration and incorporation of your business. If you would like more information on how iConstruct could really add benefit to your contracting career, please call our dedicated iConstruct desk on 0151 443 6410 or main switchboard 0151 449 3500.